Connect either side of the FFC cable to this connector on the actuator. Ensure the clip is secured. Connect the other side of the FFC cable to the breakout board. Connect the USB to CAN adapter to the breakout board. CAN low to CAN low, CAN high to CAN high, ground to ground, and STO to 3v3. Connect the USB to CAN adapter to the computer. Connect power to the breakout board.
Once the actuator is connected to the computer, visit the Downloads page of our website and click on this link to see all of the programming examples for our integrated actuator. Once here, press the green drop-down box and download the files to your computer. Once the files are successfully downloaded to your computer, open them in a code editor such as Visual Studio Code. Create a new virtual environment and install the required packages. With the environment successfully installed, open the Examples folder and select settings.py. In this file, set the encoder resolution of your device and the CAN channel that the device is using. This value can be found using the Device Manager on Windows computers. Inside the Tests folder, we can run the file Verify Communication. This will allow us to know if communication is available with the device. This is the output we are hoping to see. With successful communication established with the device, we can now run the file configuration.py. This will set the configuration of our actuator. Once the configuration is complete, we are able to run the test example, mode profile position.py.